let's discuss about the question related to sterilization. Okay. First of all, sterilization. It is a part of NCERT, static part. Okay. This word itself in the NCERT. Okay. This word itself in the NCERT comes under the lesson money and banking. Okay. So they speak about what is sterilization, what are the tools that are used by the RBI to control the money supply. All these things are spoke in the NCERT itself. Okay. So it is actually a intermix of static plus current affair. Okay, there is also a connection between this question to the current affair also. Okay, first let's discuss about what is sterilization. India is actually doing lot more to increases the capital inflow into India, okay, into the country. Like they are pushing they are pulling lot more investments through FDI, FII, FPI. Okay, these are the tools they are using to just grab the investments from the foreign market. Okay, what will happen if there is a huge capital inflow? Okay, at that time only the RBI will do the sterilization. Okay, first of all, if a foreign investor comes into India for investment, means he just come with a dollar or else euro or else pound. Okay, he just come into the market and he exchange it with any banks or central banks as a rupees and invest into the economy. Okay, which then what will happen after this is, if actually you are introducing a new money into the market. Okay, so the money inside the market actually increases. Okay, and also due to the huge capital inflow and huge investments in the industries or any other sector, there will also a growth in the employment. Okay, so there is a growth in the employment also. Okay, these things, so all these will contribute in inflation. So these all measures will at the end of the day end up as a inflation in the market. Okay, so if there is a inflation, means actually inflation with the nominal level is good for economy. Okay, but if the inflation is huge, that will deteriorate the economic growth. Okay, for that the RBI have to do some measures to control the money supply. Okay, in the first question itself we just spoke about that measures called CRR, SLR. Okay, that are the monetary tools measures. Okay, and also another measure is called open market operation. Okay, in this what the RBI will do is, RBI just sell the government securities to the commercial banks, and in return they get back the money from the bank. Okay, so they are selling the GSEC and getting back the money. Okay, so in such a way they are reducing the money supply in the market, because every money that pumped into the market by the huge capital inflow by the foreign investor is again get back into the reserves of the RBI. Okay, in such a way they are reducing the money supply in the market. Okay, so by reducing the money supply they will address the inflation in the market. Okay, all these things are broadly called as sterilization. Okay, for sterilization they using a tool called open market operation. This open market operation is nothing but selling and buying of the government securities. Okay, by that they are just controlling the money supply in the market. Okay, so they are using a tool, is the used tool is called open market operation. Okay, but in a broader way, the operation, the whole operation is called as, by the term called as sterilization. Okay, so see, again it is a collaboration between the static and the current affair part. It is actually in the current affair, decoding the RBI strategies, strategic shift to open market operation for liquidity control. Okay, in this article itself, the word sterilization was mentioned. If you come across these words, means you definitely easily answer these kinds of questions. So the answer is A. Okay, see, what I am coming to say is, if you are coming across any newspaper articles, try to connect it with the static part. Okay, so because the present day question is about a collaboration between the static and the current affair part. Okay, so you can, if you have a, if you just revised a topic of 10 static part, means at your second revision you just go the revision with based on the current affairs. Okay, in such a way you can eliminate the most of the time spending on the revisions, because UPSC is more focused on making a question based on the current affairs only. Okay, so in such a way you can easily eliminate the spending lot more time towards the revision. Okay, that is the good thing for your preparation. Okay.